Hi everybody, this is Matt from the Dirty Lab Code, Algae Research and Supplies video series educating you on how to grow algae and how it can interact with your environment. Today we're going to be investigating the algae kit that we call our 5-gallon kit. We've got a number of different strains of algae that you can have the 5-gallon kit with, including but not limited to Nanochloropsis and Spirulina. So basically you want to start out your project with by reading the instruction manual. Read up on your strain of algae as well as get into the instructions. So the first thing you want to do when you get your kit is you want to make down the water. So you're going to take your bag of salts, dump that into a 5-gallon bucket, fill it with water and stir it. There's a good chance that if you have some calcium in your water that it's going to precipitate. So your water's going to look a little bit milky. Let it sit overnight and all of the solids that precipitate out will go to the bottom. And the next day you'll want to decant that into a second bucket. Once you've got your water set up and you've transferred it, this is nutrient media, good for 5 gallons of your media. So you want to add that right to it. And then get that mixed up, and then when you're all ready, here you go, use your imagination, pretend that this is your media that's all set. Now you want to take a small amount of this media and go ahead and add your algae strain right to that. And from there, you can see that's got enough color in it so you can see it. You're going to want to add that to your growing vessel. In this case, and in a lot of cases, people like to use a 5-gallon aquarium. So you want to add your algae culture right to the aquarium. And then put a little bit of light on it. Now the amount of light we have in this room is probably just under what you want to have when you start out. You can still see there's quite a bit of color right there in the tank. You'll want to put a lamp usually right behind or on the side of the aquarium right now. You don't want to put it in direct sunlight. It'll be too much light and it'll actually destroy the photosynthetic apparatus inside the cell, and it'll cause the culture to crash. Pretty much at this point what you want to do is let this grow for maybe 1 or 2 days and then go ahead and fill in another equal amount of water, trying to keep the density of this culture to be about the same. And then you'll get to the 5-gallon level and then just let your algae bloom and do your research project or whatever other things you want to do with algae with that. But that in summary is the Algae Research Supply 5-gallon kit. Go ahead and like us on Facebook, check out our website, or buy our stuff on Amazon. We're here to teach you about algae. Thanks for watching the Dirty Lab Code.